Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use prompt dialog box in JavaScript. Let's go to our notepad++ and type script, then function name, and then bar your name equals prompt what is your name. And here, when you type here anything, it is like a placeholder in forms in HTML. Just type your name and then alert your name is, then the variable your name, and then go to the bottom input, type button value click me, and then on click the function name is name, then save it as prompt HTML, then let's run on Google Chrome. When you click, it will appear the prompt, and I will type LeBron James. Then if you're okay, alert will appear. Your name is LeBron James. And that's it, guys. It's working. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.